If you are wondering what is the IP rating of Realme GT 8 Pro, then the answer seems to be actually quite unclear, because if we take a look at the information that we can find inside the box, more precisely over here, if I reveal the information just on the last page, there we go, then over here, as you can see, we can find out that the IP rating is 68. However, many different websites they say that the IP rating of Realme GT 8 Pro is IP68 and 69, and also even some websites claim that it also has IP66 rating. So I'm not sure why this information is not really disclosed. I also couldn't find official confirmation on a Realme website. Perhaps I just missed it, but unfortunately, as I said, I couldn't find any official confirmation. So based on this information that we have inside the box, we can say that we do indeed have IP68 rating, and whether it has IP66 and 69 as well, it seems to be not really confirmed. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.